Welcome to our tour of the Seawind 1170. There are full specs and layout details at the end of the video. She has twin protected helms on one level, a safe configuration that is great for keeping an eye on everyone. Lower and raise the helm windows to open up the space even more. Trim your mainsail from the helm or perch outboard on the deck for wind in your hair and a full view of the sails. She's a tidy boat with buckets for your sheet ends and well organised running rigging. The helm seats are reversible. With an icebox or storage underneath.
So it's plenty of storage.
This is an Aussie design, so there is a good Barbie option. All lines come back to the helm, and there are plenty of handrails. A low boom keeps the centre of effort on the mainsail low. She has wide decks and flush hatches. They have done a great job with the foredeck, flat with very few tripping hazards. And there is plenty of storage for sails, fenders and lines behind the windlass locker and forward by the nets. The 1170 has a self-tacking jib. There's a mast winch for your light wind halyards, and all the reefing lines run back to the cockpit. This boat has optioned the deck lounge. She has a Selden Furlex 404S jib furler, rudder screecher off the bowsprit, and a spinnaker off the carbon pole. The anchor and bridle are easy to see and access. A 20kg Delta anchor comes as standard, but you can upgrade to a 25kg high-holding hook. It's a quick hop up to the roof using the handholds. The boom is low and very accessible with room to slide underneath if you need to. And there's a central jack line to clip onto. Again, there are some good safety features on this boat. You might need to mark your traveller lines though, as it's not easy to see the traveller from the helms. This will be an easy mainsail to flake. Okay, let's get out of the wind and into the cosy saloon. The headroom in here is good, 6'9" to 6'10", or 2.06 to 2.08 metres. With these big swing-out windows and the trifold door, the ventilation in here is excellent. The table spins and lowers. You can use it as a dining table, a workstation, or a night watch berth. Let's head down to the owner's side on port. The owner's cabin has a big walk-around athwartships berth with dual fans optioned. An offset hatch gives both sides of the bed a breeze. If you option lithium batteries, the AC will run all night in the cabins without charging the batteries. Everything has been designed for easy access. Head aft and we get to a large owner's shower and head. You can safely access the port engine underway from here. Headroom down below is 6'8" or just over 2 metres. To port is a daybed that doubles as the nav station seat. The trifold door is in the up position here. Lower it for even more protection. Let's take a look at the guest hull. The guest head and shower is forward. With the galley down, there is no compromise on cooking and prep space. You have a view of the horizon and you can pass things up to the saloon. The galley looks like a safe place to cook in rough weather. I like this head height fridge. There is a sink and a half, and you can option a water purifier and different galley tops. The down galley means you have more living space up top. There's another guest berth aft, with safe engine access under the berth. Contact info@catamarans.com, that's with a K, for more information on the 1170. Here are the specs. Thanks for watching, we hope you enjoyed the tour. Here is the layout. And here is a comparison of the different Seawind models.